If you want to make a crawling text animation in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create that classic scrolling text effect step by step, even if you've never animated text before. This style is great for intros, credits, announcements, lyric videos, news style edits, and anything where you want text to move smoothly across the screen. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and bring your project onto the timeline. Once you're inside the editor, go to the top left menu and click Text. From there, choose Default Text and drag it down onto your timeline. This gives you a basic text layer that we can turn into a crawling animation. Now click on the text layer and start typing your content. If you're creating a long crawl, the best approach is to type everything in one continuous line. That helps the text move cleanly across the screen without awkward line breaks. If you're preparing the text before pasting it into CapCut, it's a good idea to use a simple text editor like Notepad. That makes it easier to manage longer text. And if your text starts wrapping onto a second line, just disable word wrap so it stays in one clean line. After your text is in place, it's time to style it and position it correctly. In the preview window, drag the text box all the way to the right until it is completely off screen. This is going to be your starting position, so the text begins outside the frame and scrolls into view naturally. Make sure it's fully hidden on the right side before moving on. Now, we're going to animate it using keyframes. This is the part that makes the crawl move smoothly from one side to the other. With your playhead at the very start of the text clip, go over to the right side inspector panel. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see this under video or text and then basic. Look for position and size, and next to position, click the diamond icon. That diamond creates your first keyframe and saves the starting position of the text. Once that first keyframe is set, move your playhead all the way to the end of the text clip on the timeline. Then go back to the preview window and drag the text all the way to the left until it is completely off screen again. As soon as you move the text, CapCut should automatically create a second keyframe. This tells CapCut to animate the text from the right side to the left side over the duration of the clip. If the movement feels too fast, here's the easiest way to slow it down. Just drag the right edge of the text clip in the timeline to make the clip longer. The longer the clip, the slower the crawl will be. If you want the crawl to move faster, shorten the clip by dragging the edge inward. That changes the timing and makes the animation move more quickly. This is the simple trick that gives you full control over the speed without needing any advanced animation settings. You can use it for clean subtitle style crawls, dramatic title moves, or even long-form text effects for storytelling edits. If you want the animation to look even better, make sure your text is easy to read. Use a clear font, keep the size large enough, and leave enough space around the screen so the text has room to travel smoothly. You can also duplicate this method for multiple text lines if needed, but for the cleanest crawl effect, keeping it one continuous line usually works best. And that's it. You've now made a crawling text animation in CapCut using simple text placement, keyframes, and speed control. It's a beginner-friendly method, but once you understand it, you can use it in all kinds of creative edits. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials and editing shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.